I finished my first ever lecture. Signals to me that like I am doing something right, like I am where I'm supposed to be, and that just makes me so happy. I just want my brain to hug other people's brains. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is June 7th, 2023, and I am going to be delivering my first ever solo lecture as a professor. And that is absolutely bonkers to say, cuckoo bananas, because I have been looking forward to this day the second that I realized that teaching is what I wanted to do. So I can't believe that this is the day that I'm going to be kind of on my own. I've been giving a few lectures with people and not really having the sole attention on myself, but today is the day that it's just me. To be able to get in front of a classroom and share my ideas and to get people curious is what I have always wanted. And to be able to do that today is insane. I'm a little nervous, but also I've put so much time and love into creating this lecture, this first lecture, and I hope that the class really enjoys it. I'm going to bring you along on today's journey. Of course, I'm going to respect the privacy of the institution I'm working for and my class, so you'll just be seeing me. I have my breakfast protein smoothie and I'm about 45 minutes out, so I'm just gonna practice my presentation one more time and get my notes ready. And yeah, today's the day. My good luck jewelry on, there we go, my ring. So when we put that veil of ignorance when distributing goods, it's kind of like slicing a cake when you know that you'll be the last person to pick. You're always gonna make sure that every slice is equal, because in the odd chance that you are the last person to pick your cake, you're gonna maximize your fortune. So we could not tailor laws to our advantage in this way, which means that we're gonna create universal laws that work for everybody. Also, full transparency, I am in my pajama pants. I'm not usually this ritualistic, but I'm gonna go give my dog my good luck kisses. And then I'm gonna open the Zoom meeting and get my screen set up and then do the damn thing. If you cannot already tell, this lecture is going to be virtual. So I'm gonna open up my Zoom meeting. Lecture starts in 3 minutes. Well, I don't actually start off. We're gonna do a debate and then we're gonna get into my lecture. But I'm nervy. I need deodorant. 1 minute. Good morning, everyone. Just waiting to let everybody in. Welcome. We just finished the debate portion of the class. I'm like nervous that they can hear me, but drinking a lot of water, and I think I'm gonna stand for this lecture, which makes me nervous. Maybe I'll sit, I don't know. The debate went really well. We were talking about section 43 of the criminal code. Someone asked for my opinion on it, and it's really funny because when I was in my undergrad, I wrote a paper on it. So very cool. I need to start the recording. I need to remember that. Future Vic, remember. Okay, welcome back everyone. So today I'm going to be teaching you the lecture on Rawlsian ethics. I'm really excited to teach you for the first time. I will be teaching you for the second half of the course. Hey everyone, I can see everyone in camera. That's pretty cool. Can everyone hear me all right? Everything's good? Excellent, thank you so much. I'm gonna start off with a little bit of a discussion. When you were a kid, or even recently, have you ever thought about pressing reset on the world? Just a show of hands, you can react. I don't even know how those emojis work, but I've used them before. Cool, I like it. I, as a kid, thought about this a lot. I thought, you know, if the world had a reset button and we pressed it tomorrow, what on earth would we do? How would we start over? Who would be in charge? And I don't know, this is something that like really pondered me, and maybe that's why I'm a professor now. I finished my first ever lecture. I am so happy with how it went. It's so amazing to see people like eager to learn, and that's really what I'm all about. Proud of the students today. I'm proud of myself. I'm so passionate about having people think, having people be creative. And when I was in school, I always was so lucky to have the best instructors, professors, teachers, and I just want to be that for someone else. Like, I want someone to get excited to come to my class, to feel like they're really getting it, because it's such a rewarding feeling. And I just can't believe that this milestone has happened, and like at such a young age. I'm so grateful. I just want my brain to hug other people's brains. Signals to me that like I am doing something right, like I am where I'm supposed to be, and that just makes me so happy. Wow. I'm so grateful. My dog's screaming. I'm so grateful. Like, I just don't understand how this has happened, but I wouldn't trade it for the world. I seriously wouldn't. Ashley and Carter are gonna react to my lecture because I have a recording of it. And it was adapted into a film.
Yeah.
And it takes place in this dystopian world of Pan Am.
You're so smart. I can't.
Environmental
Talk about
degradation.
You're such a good prof.
If this was possible, how would we create and redefine?
Man, your sister's so smart. Babe,
So
your sister did a lecture today. Like, she's so smart. Like, she ran it herself.
bless you. And you know that
She's like legit, eh?
What are you doing, Carter?